Dun-dun-dun.
Welcome to The Angela Show, live in Hollywood, California. It's Angela Lassiter. And now, here's your host, Angela.
Welcome to my show. Today in the studio we have zoologist Ryan Millard to talk about endangered animals. Ryan, what are the effects of human activity on endangered animals?
Well, for starters, endangered species provide a very large food source for humans, along with many medicines like, for example, many venomous snakes provide their venom as actually a cure for many known diseases. And finally, they also purify the air, with many of the plants purify the air. Yeah.
So Ryan, tell me, what are the impact on other organisms that are affected by endangered species?
All the organisms in the world are affected by food chains in whatever environment they're in. So when one species is eliminated, then the rest of the food chain collapses. Like, say, if all the ants in the world were somehow killed by terminators, then all of a sudden the anteaters would die, and then the vultures who feed on their dead bodies would die as well. Soon we would no longer have animals on this planet.
So Ryan, what are the short-term and long-term effects in the environment because of endangered species?
Well, the environment now loses so many species due to the constant over-exploration, and this means that no more environments can produce new life. Then, eventually, all the populations throughout the world will eventually die because they cannot feed off one another, and eventually we'll have no more animals on this planet.
So Ryan, what do you think is the solution to the problem?
Well, for one, we need to start conserving our habitats more. Also, we need to stop the over-exploration and cutting down of so many new habitats. Finally, you need to remember the 3 R's: recycle, reuse, and reduce any pollution as possible.
So Ryan, why do you think it's important for endangered species to receive funding?
Well, many reasons for one, but the most important is so that we can view animals and learn a great deal from them, as like this dog here, Pork Chop, as they can entertain us and we can learn more about other beings in this planet and maybe someday throughout the entire universe.
Thank you for being on the Angela Show.
Thank you for having me.
And that's the end of tonight's Angela Show. Tune in next time when Angela interviews Brad Pitt.
Dun-dun-dum.